Hi, I'm Brenda Quintana coming to you from the Beehive at cubiesquest.com. It's Minute Monday, and today, to get our week warmed up, I'm going to show you how to stamp this cute note card using the retiring Sweetest Thing bundle. This bundle consists of the Sweetest Thing Stamp Set and the Jar of Sweets framelits. This bundle will be retiring at the end of May or while supplies last, so don't delay in getting it. This note card is perfect for stamping a quick birthday card. I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to make it, so let's get started. To start off with, you're going to need a package of note cards and envelopes, and I've pulled out a note card from here and I've folded it in half already. We're going to need a canister and a jar from the Sweetest Thing Stamp Set, and you're going to need some pool party ink. Let me open this up right here. In order to stamp these at the right spot, I'm going to take a ruler and a pencil, and I'm going to make myself a little mark about 1/2 inch up from the bottom. And then I'm going to create a pencil line across the bottom here so that I know where to stamp these jars. We'll start off with the biggest canister, and I'm going to stamp this just a little over the center mark, like that. And then I'm going to take the jar and stamp it right beside it, like that. Then I'm going to grab some Coastal Cabana ink, and I'm going to take this long greeting that says, "Make it a sweet celebration." I'm going to ink this up and add it right to the bottom of the card, right underneath that pencil line. Then I'm going to take some basic gray ink, and I'm going to take the jelly beans and this lollipop, and we're going to stamp them inside the jars. So let's start off with the lollipop, and we're going to stamp this on an angle, and I'll take the other one and just cross it inside the jar. And then with the jelly beans, we're just going to stamp them right in the center of that jar. Then we're going to take some Stampin' Blends and just color these up. So these are the colors I'll be using. I'll be using the light Highland Heather, the light Lovely Lipstick, the light Pumpkin Pie, dark Pool Party, dark Pineapple Punch, light Smoky Slate, and light Granny Apple Green. I'm going to fast forward through this section of the video. And that's how I color the candy. Now you can just take a white eraser and erase that pencil line. And then I like to stamp the inside of this card as well. So let's open it up, and I'm going to use the frame and the happy birthday. So start off with some Pool Party ink. I'm just going to ink up this frame and stamp it right in the center of the card. And then I'm going to take some Coastal Cabana ink and ink up the happy birthday and stamp it right in the center of the frame. That way the inside of the card is a little bit dressed up too. And that's how I stamp a simple happy birthday card for a Monday morning. I'm going to make a stepped up version of this card later this week, so stay tuned for that. All the supplies you'll need to make this card are available for purchase on my blog. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Bye for now.
I love to reward my customers with free tutorials. Check out my Hershey's card tutorial with gift box. You can get this tutorial free if you place an order over $15 in my Stampin' Up store. For more details, check out my blog at cubiesquest.com and click on rewards. Hi, it's Brenda again. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also visit my blog for more information on my projects and to learn about my rewards program, or just watch another one of my videos. Thanks for watching.